The Infinity Primus 603CF component speakers are designed with advanced technology like the +1 woofer cone, which offers an impressive increase in cone area for superior sound quality. These speakers feature edge-driven silk dome tweeters that provide an expanded high-frequency range, ensuring you experience every nuance of your favorite music. With a compact design, the Infinity Primus 603CF speakers are easy to install, making them suitable for various vehicles without the need for extensive modifications. The vented basket frame design helps to efficiently cool the voice coils, enhancing the speaker's reliability by dissipating heat effectively. The Infinity Primus 603CF speakers are meticulously tuned to deliver the consistent and renowned Infinity sound signature, providing a rich audio experience. The aesthetic appeal of these speakers is enhanced by their sleek all-black color scheme and unique design elements that integrate seamlessly into any car interior.